you are new here, hello. Make sure that by the time you leave this video, you comment, you like, you subscribe, you let me know something about you, something that you're looking forward to on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey family, I hope that y'all are all doing well, that y'all are breaking from this spring to summer transition and that everything is going good on your end. Thank you so much for your support. Make sure that you also share this video, you comment, you let me know how you feeling about this content, but also anything else that you want to see. Today we are going to be getting into a makeup tutorial on this cute, simple look that I did, and y'all, it was so easy to achieve. I really liked it. I just used some things that I had at the house already, and it's something that y'all can easily achieve too. Y'all, it is raining cats and dogs in Houston, so if y'all hear some thunder, it is literally like walking along my backyard. That is how like intense the thunder and stuff is. But anyways, stay tuned in this video. Let me know some feedback by the end. Okay friends, we are going to get in some more makeup. As y'all can see, I've already done my brows. I've also prepped my skin and done my skincare routine. If y'all would like to see that, please let me know. Right now, I'm gonna start with my primer using the Rimmel London Stay Matte. Y'all know I love this product. It is so good when it comes to just sticking my makeup down or even sticking my shadows. So I'm gonna first apply this on my lid, and then y'all will see in the video that for my foundation, I'm also gonna apply this just along my skin. But because we're not getting into actual skin right now, I'm just gonna do my eyelids and just pretty much pat this in as a base for my eyeshadows. I'm rich. Morphe 441 brush. I'm going to use this and the Juvia's Nubian 2 palette. Of course, y'all know I love this Morocco color for just like a transition color. So I'm going to add this on one of my lids for a transition color. Today I'm also going to mix in the Madagascar. It's like this brown color. So I'm going to dab into both of those, dust it off, and then just add that as a transitional color.
Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich.
Now today I am going for more of a softer look. I do have to go out of the house, and I actually have some places to go that does not require a full beat, but I just want to do something subtle and cute, but not too like overbearing, and it's also daytime, so I don't want to be too dark. So I'm going to keep it with some like neutral, warm kind of tones today. So after applying that color on my lid as like a transition color, I'm then going to switch brushes and go with the Morphe 514 brush. I'm going to use this brush to dip into a darker color just for like my outer crease area. Typically, I take this all the way in. Today, I'm not going to. I'm just going to pretty much set it on this outer corner crease and just kind of blend it in that way before I go in and apply the remaining look on my eyelids. Today I'm going to dip into the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette. I'm going to use the color Whiskey. It's like this brown color, so it's going to be more of like not too dark as black, but it'll still be like a good accent to my corner. And I'll just pat this right there, and y'all see it's already showing up. So I'm gonna just start blending because I don't want to take that too deep inward, but I also don't want it to be too overbearing.
Smelling like Versace rich, Dizzy and Beyonce rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Okay, now that I have that color just deep in my outer corner crease, I'm then going to take the Maybelline Age Rewinding Concealer in the shade Golden. I'm going to use this to put on my base. It's going to create like a cut crease, but also it's just going to allow a better base for whenever I get to apply some color and just make that color pop a little bit more.
Rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
I'm then going to blend that out using the Morphe 224 brush. It's a flat angle brush that I like, and it pretty much just allows me to guide the concealer but also pat it in the direction that I kind of want it to set. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and go back into Whiskey just a little bit and just reset that corner.
Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
Okay guys, so from there, I'm going to go back with the Morphe 224 brush. So I'm going to dip into the color Cobus. It's a lighter color. I'm actually going to not use this brush. I'm going to use the, I'm going to use this brush. So I'm actually going to use this M224 brush to dip back into the Urban Decay palette. I'm going to dip it into the color Cobus. It's like this light pinky kind of shade. And this is, again, going to give it just a little bit more base with the concealer. And it actually comes on like looks like a lavender kind of color, which is not what I was trying to do. Okay, so I know that color is not really popping up for y'all. I'm gonna go back into that Urban Decay palette in the shade Highlight. And I'm gonna apply that right where I applied the Cobus color. And again, I'm not going full glam. I'm gonna go back into using the Morphe brush that I used to kind of give my lid a transition color. That's the Morphe 441 brush, as well as the Morocco color in the Juvia's palette. And I'm just going to blend that right over everything that we've done to, one, keep that from going much higher, but also just to add that transition shade back in there.
I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich.
In addition to the orange Morocco color, I'm gonna dab back into Madagascar and just base that right on top of it.
Yeah, Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.
Y'all, this really warms up the transition, which is nice.
I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.
That looks good. Lastly, I'm gonna go back into Whiskey just a little bit more and just very slightly bring out that corner crease a little bit more.
Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
Okay guys, so that looks good. I'm gonna go and do the other side of my eye, and then I'll be back to do the foundation with you guys. Okay friends, I went ahead and primed my face already and finished up my other eye. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Concealer plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Amber. Y'all, my pump worked last time, so hopefully it works again. Look at God. So I'm gonna start applying this on my face. I'm gonna let y'all watch that process. There's nothing unique about it. But I am going to just dab it, and then I'll go in with a flat angle brush, which is this one. It's not special. And just really push that into the skin. Remember, I don't like to swipe, so I push. feel like I get such a better coverage whenever I do this method.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Now that I have put on my foundation, I'm gonna go in and conceal using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm gonna use this underneath my eyes mainly, and then probably just a little bit around my upper lip. And that's just because I get like little fuzzes, of course, like everyone else, but with my skin tone, they show up a lot more. And so I always have to shade that area, and then also just because hyperpigmentation in general.
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Right after that, y'all know I love my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna go in and set my under eyes. Y'all know I do not bake. If you've watched any of my previous videos, I just pretty much just dab on and literally dab right back off. So I'm gonna just make sure there's no creases before I set this.
Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
Right after that, I'm gonna just take a flat brush and dust that off. And then I'm just going to set around my lip. I really like this just because I get smile lines in that area.
So alive, make it last forever.
Okay friends, this is the final look on the makeup tutorial that I did. These colors look so bomb combined together, and it's such a like subtle, I cannot say that word y'all, subtle but like nice, like natural looking beat, which I really like. So for people that are like working, or people that just have like something to do where it's like, oh, I need to be a little dressed up like a brunch or something, this is such a cute look to do, and it takes not even that much time. I think I did my makeup in the matter of like 45 minutes to maybe an hour, maybe more like 45 minutes. The eyeshadow pretty much took like maybe like 10-15 minutes a piece. And y'all, it just looks so good combined, even like with my hair, but just in general, it just shows up really good, and it's not overbearing. As y'all can see, I didn't put on a lipstick. I actually ended up using just a chapstick, and I do this very often, especially during the week where I don't want to wear like a whole bunch of lipstick or anything like that, or just be too in your face. I really like using just like a simple like chapstick, and that works really good with me. I know some people like glosses. I do like glosses. I'm off and on with them just because of the stickiness of the texture. But again, guys, I hope this makeup look was so helpful to y'all. Let me know anything else that y'all want me to try, or any recommendations. Again, I'm not a pro, but I am working at it, and I think the better that the more that I do, the better I'll get. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.